evening, everyone. State lawmakers are looking at new restrictions for sex offenders. The Senate just passed a bill that would prevent sex offenders from getting a treatment at certain psychiatric centers. News 4's Callan Gray joins us live with the details. Callan?
Well, Alina, State Senator Rob Ortt introduced a law to prevent sex offenders from being treated in the same building or location as a children's psychiatric facility. He tells me it's a reaction to the governor's plan to relocate the Children's Psych Center in West Seneca to the Buffalo Psychiatric Center on Forest Avenue. Allison Scanlon and David Chunny with the group Save Our Children's Psychiatric Center tell us they welcome any bill that would keep kids safe. Scanlon's son received treatment at the West Seneca location for about 3.5 years.
When that door clicks and shuts behind you, you can't just turn around and open that door and get to your child again. You have to trust that those people in that facility are going to take the best care of your child.
Governor Cuomo is moving forward with plans to relocate the children's facility to the adult campus on Forest Avenue. Scanlon is worried the children will be exposed to adults. In response to safety concerns, State Senator Rob Ortt tells us he proposed a bill to prevent sex offenders from getting inpatient or outpatient treatment at any facility that's at the same location as a children's psychiatric facility.
That needs to be in place.
The Office of Mental Health says children will be in a separate facility and that by the time the new Children's Center is open, there will be no sex offenders on the campus.
We don't frankly trust the commissioner or the governor in this regard because they really had the kids' best interest. They would not be forcing them to move there against every parent and every kid and everybody in Western New York.
Lawmakers tell us they wanted to be sure. The bill passed the Senate 60-0. It was co-sponsored by Senator Patrick Gallivan.
What it really has to do with is to help keep our communities safe and help keep vulnerable people safe.
Now, the state Senate also passed a bill to prevent sex offenders from living in group homes run by the Office of Mental Health or Office of People with Developmental Disabilities. Now, last year, after sex offenders were moved into a North Buffalo facility, there was an outcry from neighbors. State Senator Tim Kennedy says this would prevent that in the future. The Assembly is now looking at both bills. Reporting live, Callan Gray, News 4.